The Indian team has won the Asia Cup and the Indian fans are of course very, very excited. They are at the Dubai International Stadium at this moment. All India jerseys over here. We will of course speak to them as well. Please step forward. Ma'am, how are you feeling? We've won the Asia Cup. We've beaten Pakistan thrice in this tournament.
Yes, we are so happy. It was a nail-biting match. Both the teams played well. We're so happy that India has won the trophy.
There's a very little fan here as well. Who's your favorite player? Do you have any message to the Indian team? Okay, are you proud of the Indian team? She's proud of the Indian team. So if I can request you to come into the frame as well. You know, the Indian jersey, the India flags on your face. How does it feel, Asia Cup champions?
It feels so good. It was a tight match. We loved the whole sporting event. It was amazing. Congrats, India. India! India!
Ma'am, actually, I want to ask, during the last over, did you feel your heart palpitate? How did it feel?
I came first time, I saw first match. That's why India wins.
There's another fan over here. She's, wrapped in the Indian flag and she's, of course, very proud of the Indian team. Any special message to any special player?
No, but I just want to say I'm very happy of the win. Last time I came, we didn't win, but this time we won.
This time the Indian team made you happy?
Yes, very.
So I request you to step forward as well. The India win excitement is there amongst the fans. So what is your message to the Indian team? We have won this Asia Cup. We are the champions. We have been undefeated throughout the tournament.
We didn't expect anything less than this team. They are a good team and they made us proud yet again.
But did you feel the jitters when Abhishek got out? We were 20 for 3. Did you feel like, oh my God, what's happening?
The kind of batting lineup we have, we knew that we can pull it along. So,
More Indian fans?
never a doubt.
More Indian fans here as well. Sir, what did you think about the match today? How does it feel to be the Asia Cup champions? Just be in the frame, sir.
Very happy for India, and Pakistan also played very well, but India is always a better team, and
India is always a better team.
we love it. Thank you.
India always, Pakistan always.
And there are some little
India!
fans here as well. They also want to say something. Tell me,
Say something. How do you enjoy the match?
who's your favorite player?
India, jeetega.
The chanting should be on the camera and not behind it. But yeah, this is what the feeling is at this moment, where the fans are very, very excited that India has won the Asia Cup, that we are the champions of Asia and we've beaten Pakistan not once, not twice, but thrice in this competition itself. There's a lot to look forward to. More and more fans coming in here. We will of course try and speak to more fans as well. As many India jerseys as I see here. A lot of the fans very, very proud of the Indian team. Ma'am, we are the Asia Cup champions. What is your message to the team?
Yeah, it was a great game, and yeah, they win that. Yeah, the batting and everything was.
I see a lot of victory signs as well being flashed here by people who are passing by the Times Now camera. Sir, request you to please come forward. Tell us, how does it feel?
It was a great game and it's really worth paisa vasool.
पैसा वसूल.
Perfect.
सर
Perfect
थोड़ा
day.
सा बीच में डर लगा जब अभिषेक चला गया.
अभी
24 हो
फिर
गए.
कोई डर नहीं, कोई डर नहीं. फिर मेरा लोग मालूम इंडिया जीतेगा. इतना पावरफुल.
आज तो तिलक वर्मा के लिए.
तिलक वर्मा क्या बोलना है, वही खेला है आज.
मैं देख रही थी फैंस कह रहे थे कि विराट कोहली नहीं है तो हरीश राव के लिए तिलक वर्मा है.
तिलक वर्मा ने सही विराट कोहली का रोल आज किया गेम. और हमें हरीश राव चाहिए गेम
तो
जीतने.
सर कितने एक्साइटेड हैं कि इंडिया एशिया कप जीत चुका है एंड वी आर द चैंपियंस.
We know that this is for India. Not a single game they lost in Asia Cup. So
Yeah,
this is
we are undefeated.
And
Yes.
140 is a very low score for India.
Yeah, but
we
they-
were expecting 180 when the game started.
But did you have any palpitations towards the
Yes,
end?
when we
Last
were
over
20
10 runs is never
in
easy.
initial 20 overs, 20 runs, 3 wickets
Yes.
was a bit terrifying. But the game what Tilak Verma has shown, the maturity with Sanju Samson
Yeah.
was amazing, spot on.
Tilak Verma was amazing today is what the fans are feeling here, and they have only words of appreciation
India.
for the Indian team who has performed very, very well, who's been undefeated in this Asia Cup, in this tournament. So obviously a lot of the fans are very, very happy. They are coming into the cameras, waving, and I can request more fans to come in here and speak to us about what this win feels like, and what would you want to say?
It was an amazing match. Pakistan really played well, but at the end India wins. And that was a very close game. The boys could not have done better than
and
that.
We've been undefeated in this tournament.
That's absolutely nice. But Cheers, India. All the best.
More Indian fans coming in here. What would you want to say? How does it feel to be the champions of Asia?
It was obvious win for us, and
Obvious.
yeah,
And who's your favorite player?
Tilak Verma for now.
Tilak Verma. And so you must feel good today with his performance.
Yes.
So Tilak Verma fans as well here, and his fan base is only going to increase after the performance he's had today. Many fans saying that he has done to Haris Rauf what Virat Kohli did to him in Australia. So obviously a lot to look forward for this Indian team, especially with the T20 World Cup also coming in 2026. This Asia Cup triumph is going to do a lot of confidence boosting for this Indian team that is led by Surya Kumar Yadav. A lot of India chants you're hearing here. More and more fans coming here with the India flag as well, which they are waving very, very proudly. If I can show you here. So this is what it means to represent India, to be an Indian cricket team fan as well, to be so proud of the India flag as well. So what would you want to say? We have won the match. We have won the Asia Cup.
We are very happy. We are very happy. Seriously.
We are the champions from day one.
We are the champions from
Day one,
and
because we have
been
not lose a
unbeaten.
single match. So we were 100% sure when we came here that is India. India only. Everywhere it is India.
Everywhere.
People were saying that, India.
Look to the camera.
Like example, they said Pakistan is starting playing well, starting when
Yeah,
the wicket is
yeah,
fall down
yeah.
suddenly. So I told them, don't take attention. We are going to win.
Don't take tension, we are going to win, and that's exactly
Alright.
what's happened here, where the Indian team has won the Asia Cup. More and more fans coming in here, and if they want to speak, they can of course join us on Times Now and talk about how they feel with this victory. More India flags here. Pakistan, of course, disappointed fans right here. Sir, anything you want to say?
Nothing. What do we say?
Are you happy?
After 41 years, we came back in the finals for the first time.
No, it was the first India-Pak final after
in
41
Asia,
years.
yes, and we proved it that we are the best.
And we beat them thrice.
Thrice, yes, we beat them thrice, but I think this time it was little to the wire.
Yeah,
we lost
this
Abhishek a little bit earlier on, so we were a little exposed, but I think we did it very well.
We did it well.
Took it home.
Abhishek's wicket was a bit dangerous, but the Indian team managed to win in the end. Again, showing you visuals of the stadium where people are very happy. Ma'am, if you want to say, everyone's happy. Any message for the Indian team?
We won the Asia Cup.
We won the Asia Cup is what people here are saying outside the Dubai International Stadium. Lot of happy faces, lot of happy waves, lot of Indian flags flying high as well. So obviously a lot to look forward to. Sir, any message for the Indian team? How do you feel with
Congratulations! Actually, it's superb. Super game is superb.
Game is superb is what the fans here are saying. So like I said, this is the best moment for the Indian team, and like I'm sharing the fan perspectives here. So we also have the T20 World Cup coming up, in 2026. This is going to set the base, set the tone for that as well with this Asia Cup win.
Yeah, 100%. India is always ultimate. They are very good player. Even up to bottom of the line, we have very good batsmen and bowlers.
And what was the highlight for you इस match में?
इस मैच में तो बहुत ऊपर नीचे हुआ, and again Pakistan fought very well. And ultimately
we win the match. Yes,
That's what's important. We love India, and winning is important at the end of the day is what the fans here are saying. आप भी कुछ कहना चाहते हैं तो इधर आके कहिए.
इंडिया के पास कप पक्का मिलेगा पहले माल में 2 मैच से.
जी बिल्कुल. The Indian team is doing very, very well. They have won the Asia Cup. Fans, of course, here very excited. You can see the India flag here. A lot of slogans of India as well. A lot of fans excited here.
भारत माता की जय.
India, 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 India.
India chants also here in Dubai. What is your message to the Indian team? So we are Asia Cup
Well
champions.
played. Keep it up.
Well played. Let's keep the momentum going is what the message is from the fans in Dubai. I see a very young fan who's in the India t-shirt and holding the flag as well. And of course, I'm sure you're very proud of the Indian team. What is your message?
Both of the teams played very well, India and Pakistan, and I'm very happy India had won. And also the key player for making India win was Tilak.
Was Tilak? And
Yes.
who's your favorite player?
Virat Kohli.
And in this team?
Tilak.
Tilak.
Because
so you're
he
happy
did
with Tilak's
yeah,
performance.
yeah.
You're saying something.
Yes.
He did?
He did a very good half century,
Yeah.
and yeah, that is the reason we also won.
Thank you so much. So, a young fan, very proud of the Indian team. You can see him proudly waving the Indian flag, and he's very, very proud of the Indian team and of Tilak Verma as well. I'm going to give him the full frame to show the Indian flag. And so, yeah, a lot of proud Indian cricket fans here who are just, very happy. So, if there's any message,
Yes,
you want to give to the Indian team?
बाप तो बाप रहेगा. बाप तो बाप रहेगा.
So yeah, these are the kind of messages that we are seeing from the Indian cricket fans after this terrific win from the Indian team. Karishma Singh in Dubai for Times Now.